Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to our fourth lesson of stretched harakat. In this lesson, we will cover a little bit more about how to recite kasra and ya in a word. So, now that we have learned about how kasra is stretched when a ya comes after it, I think it's time that we get some more practice, don't you think? Okay, how about we meet our first example? This word says fihi. How do you think we might spell that? Let's try this together. So the first letter, tha, is stretched because it has a kasra underneath it and an empty ya after it. So when we spell it, we say th, e, fi. Can you hear that stretching sound? And the second letter is the letter ha with a kasra. So we say h, e, hi. And together we say fi, hi. Let's try that one more time. Th, e, fi, h, e, hi. Fi, hi. Well done. Our second example is a little bit similar. This one says ghiba. So our first letter is the letter ghain, and it has a r sound, and then we stretch it. So we say r, e, ghi, b, a, ba. Ghiba. Let's do that again. R, e, ghi, b, a, ba. Ghiba. Well done. Our third example is slightly longer. This word says aminun. When we spell it, we say a, m, e, mi, ami, n, nun. Aminun. Can you hear the stretching sound of the meme? Okay, let's do this again. A, m, e, mi, ami, n, nun. Aminun. Well done. Now our fourth example is longer, and if you can spot it, there are two letters that we need to stretch for two counts. So the letter sin has a kasra underneath it, and after it comes an empty ya, and then the letter nun has a kasra underneath it, and it's also followed by an empty ya. So let's go through how to recite this one. So the sin is stretched, and we say s, e, si, and the nun is stretched, so we say n, e, ni, si, ni, n, na, si, ni, na. Let's practice that again. S, e, si, n, e, ni, si, ni, n, na, si, ni, na. Excellent, well done. Now that we've gone through 4 examples, let's do 2 more where you will practice them yourself first, and then we can go through it together. Here's your first example. Have you tried it? Okay, so this is how we spell this word. This word says qalilin, and we spell it like this. Q, a, q, l, e, li, qali, l, in, lin. Qalilin. And your second example. Now when we spell this one, we say th, a, tha, r, e, ri, tha, ri, h, e, hi, farihi, n, a, na, farihi, na. Did you get both of those examples correct? Give yourself a pat on the back if you did. Well, now we've reached the end of our second stretching kasra lesson. Well done, mashallah. I'll join you next time for the next lesson, where we will see what happens to a letter that has a dhamma on top of it, where we will see what happens to a letter that has a dhamma on top of it and an empty waw after it. But for now, assalamu alaikum.